A beehive always has a hexagonal shape, but this is not something that bees intentionally create from the beginning. Bees build circular wax cells to store honey. However, the temperature inside the hive naturally rises due to the bee's body heat, softening the wax and causing the cells to transform into a hexagonal shape. This happens because a hexagon is the most space-efficient shape. A similar phenomenon can be observed with soap bubbles. While a single bubble is round, multiple bubbles press against each other and form hexagonal shapes.